Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to always keep your meeting controls visible in the Zoom mobile app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main screen of the app where you can see your upcoming meetings and various options. Next, look at the upper left corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This will open up your account menu where you can access various settings and preferences related to your Zoom profile. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings. This is where Zoom stores all the configuration options that control how your app behaves during meetings and in general use. Now, within the Settings menu, tap on Meeting. This section is specifically dedicated to customizing your meeting experience, from audio and video preferences to how controls and features are displayed during active calls. Once you're in the meeting settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Always Show Meeting Controls. This is the key feature we're working with today. By default, Zoom is designed to automatically hide your meeting controls after a few seconds of inactivity to give you a cleaner screen view. However, this can be inconvenient if you frequently need to access mute, video, or other controls during a call. Right beside this option, you'll see a toggle switch. Tap on it to turn the feature on. This simple action ensures that your meeting controls like the mute button, video toggle, participants list, and chat options will remain visible on your screen at all times during a meeting instead of disappearing after a few moments. And that's it. Your meeting controls will now stay visible throughout your Zoom calls, making it much easier to manage your meetings without having to tap the screen repeatedly to bring them back. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.